Well, guys, the Lawrence School District has outdone themselves this time. Yeah, I got this in the mail on May 1st. That's right, a permanent ban. It's not gonna stand. Several problems here. Pay attention.
How come you don't enforce your policies?
Swift says I raised my voice and yelled obscenities at the board.
That said if I had a sign, I'd be thrown out. I got my sign. How come I wasn't thrown out?
Where's my raised
Is your
voice?
plant making you calm now? How come I wasn't thrown out, Kelly? I got my sign.
I'm asking questions.
I got my sign. Well, she's the president, man.
Well,
she's the one that should have thrown me out.
Well,
but they don't enforce their policies evenly.
We made a choice. The choice is
So then why are you
not
reading?
Huh?
Well, we made a choice, so you just decide willy-nilly each time?
We made a choice. The choice was we can allow you to disrupt our
Right.
meeting, or we can
Right.
tolerate your piece of paper.
So you can tolerate my piece of paper this time, but you can't tolerate my words, huh?
It is what it is.
It is what it is. So you guys just changed the meeting rules to suit your needs. Is that what it is, Kelly? You got your little plant now. You're gonna be nice and calm. And you're busted lying, Kimball. You and your gaslighting bullshit with those fucking voicemails.
Now, did you see Kelly jump and lose her mind there?
I can say fuck all I want. I can say shit, bullshit, fuck you. I can even say cunt. I can even say cunt. There's
Now, this
nothing you can do.
superintendent believes her narrative, and I
And if
don't
she's gonna
think
have
she actually
police
watched the
come up and
video
try
of
to
what
escort me
occurred
out,
before
get
she
on
put
with
this
it.
out.
I can say bitch, bullshit, cunt, motherfucker. I can say all these words and there's not a damn thing you can do about it. This is what I'm talking. You guys coming up here with guns to do something, go away. There's nothing to do here. You got people up here that think they can call people with guns to enforce their fucking feelings.
And if any of this was a problem, that officer could have acted at any point in time if they thought that was chargeable under disorderly conduct.
Violating a man's freedom of speech, I wouldn't even be here. But you guys decided to throw people out right and left and act like tyrants. So now you got me here. And I say fuck you this much. And there's nothing they can do about it. Because I'm protected. It's protected speech, you dumb idiots. You chose to be in these positions. You need to pay attention to the rights that we have and honor them. And while I've got all of your attention, pay attention when I say this. If you quit shutting other people down, I would not be here. I don't have any kids in this district. I don't have any interest in this. Only my tax money comes to you. But you guys shut down other people, and I will come in here and
I don't know how many more times I have to say this to people. If they would quit shutting other people down, I would not be in there. That's literally the only reason I'm there.
And I will cuss at the next public comment. When I speak, I will speak and say the words I choose to speak, not the words that you allow me to say. Do you understand? Do each of you
No,
understand?
they don't understand.
Do each of you understand the rights that we have as American citizens here?
The Moms for Liberty case is clear. Personally directed, obscene, some combination of those. That was viewpoint-based discrimination, and the district court got it wrong. The appeals court directed it back to them. But let's look at what happened outside here. This is where the weight of everything she says I did, the threatening behavior and the harassing. I mean, those are criminal things. And if you notice here, this is the district property. The green line is where I walked. I'm walking on the provided sidewalk. This is an open parking lot. I could have parked back here in this back area in my personal vehicle if I wanted to attend the meeting. So making an issue of me walking around back here is just more gaslighting.
You gonna let me speak next time, Kelly?
Kelly started to come out the door. I said something. She ran back inside and hid. So I posted up by this step, and that's right where I stood and waited, intending to ask her questions when she comes out like any other journalist does. Now, You got to know your rights here. No trespass orders on public property. There's got to be some kind of criminal activity. There's got to be something else happen. They can't just throw you off of public property, and that's pretty clear. Now the problem is they're going to enforce this. The police will enforce it, and they'll take you to jail for it, and it'll just be more headaches for you. The case is already there.
Politicians
They've already violated civil rights here.
And they get asked questions. You're just going to have to deal with it, Kelly.
The government is limited on what they can do when they can issue these NTOs. And there's got to be some due process. This can't just be a slam dunk decision made and I'm done.
She doesn't want to come out because she's afraid of the public. Because she's a damn tyrant. She started to come out the door. And then
down there at the bottom, you also have the right to not be subject to an NTO that's issued based on retaliation for protected speech, which is exactly what this is.
You know, she'll lash out from the dais. Her and Shannon Kimball will both lash out from the dais and make all kinds of accusations that are untrue and such.
The government has to have reason for this. They can't just say you did this stuff when video proves that it didn't happen and ban you from public property.
And I don't know why she's acting this way. But it is all an act. It's just an act. That's all it is. So
you got to know your rights to this
if she wants
stuff.
to hang out in there all night, she can.
And you got to be prepared to utilize the legal system.
Now we got a whole gathering of them there. We got Costello.
Now you watch here and see what harassment.
Kelly Jones, you gonna quit shutting people down in here and treating them like shit? You're an elected official.
Threats.
For you to hide out inside like that is a joke. For you to hide out inside like that is a joke. You're an elected official. You have no
And if you
reason to
notice,
act
she kind of arced in
You're
front of me
elected
there.
official.
So she got closer to me as she got closer to the car.
She is an elected official. No.
And that you are to leave
Negative.
the property.
Now the
You guys
police,
are going to trespass me
I'm
now
sorely
for what?
disappointed in this officer because she completely does not understand the
Because
trespass
Kelly
laws.
Jones ordered me to be
So it's
trespassed.
time that you need to go.
Kelly Jones hasn't told me that I'm trespassed. So Kelly Jones
No,
is going to
she
need to
doesn't
tell.
have to
Yes, she
tell
does,
you.
because
No.
you can't do this on behalf of her. She needs to be the one to say it.
She'll mail you a letter too, just like last time.
So how long am I being trespassed for?
No, but at least for now you need to
So
leave.
you guys are really going to trespass me for
Now, guys, always
constitutionally protected
remember,
activity, guys?
You don't need to go to jail
I've
over
made
this
no
stuff.
threats. I've done
If you
nothing
know your
other
rights have
than
been
stand out
violated
here
like
ask
this
questions.
and
you guys
in
are
such
gonna
an
literally
asinine
trespass
manner
me
like
for
this, don't take an
constitutional-
arrest
Are
over
you
it.
really going to do this?
Yes.
You are.
Yes. Please leave, Michael.
Kelly, is this what you want? I haven't heard her tell me, and you can't just you can't trespass me yourself. She has to be the one to tell
Do
me.
it all the time.
She has to be the one to tell me. Nobody's told me that I'm trespassed from
You
here
need to
but
leave.
you.
Michael, you need
She
to
has
leave.
to be the one to tell me. Don't you know that?
Michael, you need to leave.
I understand. And once she tells me that I'm trespassed,
And you guys,
I will
Lawrence
leave.
District,
Once she
USC
tells me I'm
497
trespassed,
parents,
I will leave.
this is where dumb money is being spent defending these stupid lawsuits. Congratulations to your new superintendent.
If I don't leave, I will be arrested, correct? Thank you. That's all I needed.
Overwhelmed the presence of your pride.